This talented guy turns food into artwork. Can you believe it? With a crowd gathered around, he reveals the secret behind his craft. Whoa, isn't this so incredible? We're all so impressed. Using his skills and a sharp knife, he transforms ordinary vegetables into extraordinary works of art. Amazing work! Next up, he'll turn this green bamboo shoot into a unique phoenix. With utmost care and precision, he shapes every tiny element. I mean, just take a look at the final result. So very impressive. He's not done yet. He's kicking things up a notch with his carving skills, making it even better by adding extra special details. This masterpiece is becoming so incredible that it's almost a shame to devour it. Here we go, peeps! A masterpiece indeed! He's mesmerizing onlookers with his skill and precision. People can't help but be captivated as vegetables are turned into works of art in a matter of minutes. The carver is incredibly nice. He gifted the creation to a little girl in the crowd. This lady has a special request for carving a creation for her. Let's wait and see what amazing creation he'll craft. The vibrant colors, intricate details, and creativity of his carvings got us all speechless. On to creating the last details. Cool, huh?